Hey guys, welcome back to my shop. Today I want to do a quick video on 3 classic corded Milwaukee tools that I love and I will never get rid of. I know today cordless tools are the way to go, but these tools are just really well built and built to perform. So the first one I want to talk about is the Milwaukee circular saw. I got this when I was 30 years old as a birthday gift, and I'm 64 now, so this thing is 34 years old. I used it to build my house from the ground up, and it performs great with a good sharp blade. It just blows through everything. And then at one point I decided I was gonna do brick on my house, so I did the lower half of my house with a semi-load of brick, and I didn't have a masonry saw, so I got a diamond blade for this and spent the whole summer cutting brick and laying brick. And this, at the time I thought, well, this will probably kill the saw because it's sucking up so much masonry dust, but I thought it's worth it. I'll just buy another one. This thing still performs great today, so I will never get rid of it, even though I do have a cordless saw at this point. The second tool that I got when I was building my house is when I got to the point where I was doing all the electrical and plumbing, I needed something that could effectively drill holes fast. And this was expensive at the time, and I didn't have much money, but it was well worth the money. The one thing I love about these Milwaukee tools is they all came in their own specialized case, and I don't know if Festool copied that or if Festool's been doing it as long as Milwaukee had, but Milwaukee had these really nice metal cases. Everything fits in there nice. They had the detachable cord back then. I don't know if Festool copied that or if they thought of that on their own, but Milwaukee always has these very high quality rubber cords that are flexible even when it's cold. And this thing, you have to use this handle with it. When you're running a big bit, this thing will actually like break your wrist or spin you around if you're not careful. So this thing's indispensable. I drilled a ton of holes when I built my house and absolutely love this thing. So the last tool I want to talk about is another, I think, Milwaukee classic. It's their drill, their Magnum. This again, it's a hammer drill. I bought this when I needed to do some, I was building a patio stone wall and I needed to drill some large holes to pound rebar through to pin everything. And it was probably too much for this thing, but this thing never gave up. I've used this for years as well. Again, it comes with a really nice metal box with a tray for storing all the bits and everything. But these are great tools. I know that cords are a little bit inconvenient in this day and age, but still love these things and still use them. That's it, guys.